everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you as always for joining us. We appreciate it. Please subscribe and let us know what you think of our channel and who you'd like to see us draw next. Today we are going to draw Peyton Manning, classic legend quarterback for the Indianapolis Colts and most recently the Denver Broncos. We're going to draw Peyton in the Denver Broncos uniform. Peyton Manning, nicknamed the Sheriff, was the first pick overall in 1998 to the Colts. Played 14 seasons with the Colts and only 4 seasons with the Broncos. In my opinion, one of the greatest, if not the greatest quarterback of all time. I know everyone says Tom Brady, that's cool, I appreciate that and I respect that, but Peyton Manning is one of my favorites. I really loved to watch him when I was younger. So let's do this. He has too many records, too many good stats to mention all of them, so I'll let you look up on the internet and ask your parents to tell you about Peyton Manning. If you don't know about Peyton Manning, you need to learn about Peyton Manning. So first of all, let's find up the vertical center of our page, up and down, and then the center of our page across. And then we will draw Peyton Manning's head right in here. So we're gonna get our dark marker, could be charcoal gray or a black, and we'll do the head of Peyton Manning right here. He's got kind of a skinnier, longer face, so we'll do the jaw first. We'll go down to a chin, kind of bump up, go up to the other side of his jaw. We'll do a couple big ears poking out right there. Now, if you look at Peyton Manning's pictures, he's got kind of a bigger forehead, so we're gonna kind of emphasize that. So go up and around, connect down to the other ear. Looking good. All right. So let's do the neck really quick and we'll come back and do the face. We'll go down, down to a V. And we'll do the shoulder pads. Like I said, we're gonna do the Denver Broncos uniform. Shoulder pad 1, shoulder pad 2. Come down, curve down to the armpit area. And we'll go down to the waist, straight across, straight up. Peyton Manning's got kind of a longer torso. The torso is your chest and stomach area. We'll do a football on this side, so find the shape of the football, curve out and then in, curve out and then in, and connect to a point for the football. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers holding onto that football. Here's his thumb, and let's do his arm. Coming down, 2 lines slanting in and then hiding behind that football right there. And then we'll do his other arm, 2 lines slanting down. His forearm, the forearm is from the elbow down to the wrist. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into that wrist there. Let's have him wearing his wristband on his arm. Okay, he likes to wear this towel right there, so bring kind of a curve over, curve up for the towel. His legs, 1 up, down, and we're gonna connect up to this hip area. Socks, 2 lines there, 2 lines on that leg, and connect with a little arch. Now we got to draw his big feet. So we got 1, 2, that's the tongue of the shoes. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Now bring this shoe out and down, straight across to the ankle, and stop. Connect to the ankle. Okay? Now bring this ankle down, same thing. Come straight across to the edge of the page. Go up and connect to the shoe. There we go. All right, we have Peyton Manning kind of blocked out. Let's do his eyes right here. They are gonna be ovals. They kind of slant down actually. So what we're gonna do is this. Do ovals that kind of slant a little bit. And another oval that slants down toward the ear. See how they're kind of tipped and slanting? Okay. And we'll do his nose. He's got kind of this long, big nose. Do this U shape. And a couple of nostrils on that side. He's got a unique mouth shape, so watch this really closely. This is what really sets Peyton Manning apart. We're gonna go up, down, okay? Watch this. Go up, down, come down, over, and up. Color the inside of his mouth black. A couple smile lines, a couple of nose lines, his lip, and his chin. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is actually, let's do this. Let's stay with our dark marker. We're going to do a highlight over here, a circle on the inside, circle on that inside. I'm going to make it thicker for the eye, the pupils. And we are going to get kind of a green color, maybe a light green, and color around that eye. Maybe that's a little dark. Anyway, he's got kind of green eyes. And, well, he's got some blondish kind of brown hair, so we're gonna get this color marker, this kind of tan color. We'll do an arch and an arch for his eyebrow, an arch and an arch for his eyebrow, and fill that in. His hair is gonna go up to the top, come over, and down to his ear. Okay, we'll fill this in a minute. I'll just kind of scribble it in. Now let's quickly do his Broncos jersey. Okay, we will do blue and orange. We're gonna do the orange number 18. So here's what we'll do. We'll go straight down, down, and up. Okay. There's the number 1. Now the 8 is this kind of this circle, bump, bump, over, and create that circle look. A couple of circles on the inside. I'm just gonna make it thicker here. Okay, now he's got an orange kind of spike shape, this triangle spike coming out on the pants for this. And we'll do an orange stripe on the shoes. We'll fill these in on the fast forward of the video. So that'll be orange, that'll be orange. And the blue sections, let's do those really quick. Grab a blue marker. We're gonna do this shape around the neck. That'll be blue. We'll fill that in, like I said. Triangle and then a blue stripe down the side. Triangle up and a blue stripe down the side. And a little blue stripe on the side of that. Orange right there. Blue on top of the sock right here. Blue on top of the sock right there. Okay, so this is gonna be blue, this is gonna be blue, and we'll outline this number in blue actually as well. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a brown football flesh color for Peyton Manning, orange jersey, leave the pants white, leave the shoes white, orange stripes, some blonde hair. That is Peyton Manning of the Denver Broncos, 5-time MVP, 2-time Offensive Player of the Year, 2-time Super Bowl champion. I'm a huge fan of Peyton Manning. I think he's great. I think he's one of the greatest. And we appreciate you guys drawing with us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Patreon. And we appreciate you guys joining us. Fast forward now.